Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is DJ at the Rabbit School Garage, and we're going to start painting back the CB1000 again. I'm taking a different route. I don't like this blue. I think it's just too, I don't know, it just doesn't look right for what I had envisioned. So I'm going to go a completely different route. I'm going to make it black with checkered flag stripes down the middle, and maybe nothing on the side, I'm not sure, except for the Honda wings. Haven't decided that yet, but definitely the checkered stripes going down the center. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. I'm going to do it that way. Something I'm used to doing, so it should be fairly quick and easy. Just lay our base coat black down and then tape up the checkers for the white, and that's it. So yeah, let's get started on that. I'm just going to sand these pieces down a little bit. Okay. I'm going to finish sanding these down, and then we're going to go ahead and start painting them. Alright, let's lay down some black spray paint. Alright, let's let that all dry a bit, and then we'll get back to it. This front fender, I don't know why it keeps doing that. I degreased it and everything. It just doesn't like paint. I may have to, maybe I need to lay primer down. We'll see. I'll try another coat and see if that does it, but if not, then I don't know what to do. But I've never seen it do this before. Look, you see what it's doing? It did that with the blue also. And I sanded it down and cleaned it off, and got rid of all the grease and everything. Still doing it. So I have no idea why. Maybe I need to primer it. These are the side covers. They're pretty much ready to go. Just letting them dry. And we'll be back out in a little while after these dry some. Alright, we're going to go ahead and hit everything with a second coat of black. And that should be it for now. I might do a third, I'm not sure yet. Alright, there we go. Second coat's on everything. Let's let that dry. Alright, we're going to start with this side panel, and we're going to put our checker stripes in. So I think I'm just going to do it right down the middle. There's two holes here where the badges go on, and I think I'm just going to follow that. Now, I'm going to start about the middle. no real spot to start unless you just want to get extremely precise about it. I'm not precise about this kind of thing. I just want it to look halfway decent. So now we just lay one across this way. We just do that. We just keep doing that. Is there an easier way to do this? Probably. Do I know what it is? No. It's just the way I know how to do it. Alright, that's it. Now comes the fun part. Where's my X-Acto knife? Alright, we're ready to start cutting squares. I've got the X-Acto knife. And let's see, let's start at this end. How about that? So what we've got is we got 3 pieces of tape going this way, and then a bunch of little ones going this way. So now you kind of get the idea of how I'm doing it. 1, 2, and then 1. 1, 2, and then 1. 1, 2, then 1, and so on and so forth till it gets to the end. And you leave all this because you're going to tape that off on both sides to save the black. And then we're just going to spray paint white over top of it. So, yep, I'm just going to keep doing that until we're done. Alright, and there's what it looks like all taped up and ready to paint. Is it perfect? No. There's a couple of spots I'm going to have to tape off again. Right there. But easy enough. Just tear off a little piece and cover it up. Just like that. Alright, and that's basically how it's going to look. It's not perfect. But then again, I don't really care. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's not like I'm putting a graphic on here or something where it should be perfect. And then I'm doing this by hand. So you want it to be just a little bit off. That way people can go look at it and say, hey, look, he must have done that by hand. Let's spray down some white. Alright, we'll let that dry. How long does this say? Dries in 15 minutes to the touch and 1 to 2 hours handling. So let's give it about 10-15 minutes and then we'll come back. Alright, it's been about 10-15 minutes. Let's go ahead and put a checkered coat on. Alright, we'll let that sit and we'll put one more coat on just to be safe. Okay, this has been drying for a little bit. Let's go ahead and pull the tape off and see how it looks.
Alright, there it is. What do y'all think? I should have made that one black. That's too far down. That's okay though. We can fix that fairly easily. Just tape this off and then repaint it. But yeah, that's about it. Now we'll let that dry and we can sand it down. So that's what the whole bike's gonna look like. I'll take you over to the tank and show you what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's gonna run down the tank about like that. And down the other side cover and the front fender and the rear fender. So here's the front fender. Just kind of imagine it running down there. Kind of like that. So, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and call it there. Alright everyone, well that's gonna be the end of this video, and there's no reason for me to show you how to do this for all the pieces because it just takes way too long. This took me like an hour and a half, you know, all combined for just this small piece. And the front fender 3 times longer and the gas tank's twice as long, so it's going to take a while. But I think it looks okay. Needs some touching up, which is fine. I knew it would. But yeah, I think we're all right. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, hit the thumbs up, and it'd be great if you subscribe to my channel. So catch you on the next video.